Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, welcome to Moshir English. Watch every video without skipping. You will learn many things. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about consonants of International Phonetic Alphabet. There are 24 consonant sounds in International Phonetic Alphabet. Okay, I have already drawn a chart and I have already shown 12 consonant sound, the first part. The next part I will show you the rest 12 consonant sound. Okay, let's start from the first consonant sounds. At first, I would like to pronounce all the consonants. Okay, the first one, P. Look at my mouth. P. P. For example, park. Okay, the next sound, B. B. Next sound, T. 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 Next sound, D. 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 Next one, S. 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 The next one, Z. 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 The next one, K. 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 The next one, G. 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 The next one, the next one, V. 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 Next one, Th. 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 The last one, D. 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 Okay. Now let's give examples. The first consonant sound, P. P. Its examples, park. 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 Look at the IPA. P is present here. P is present here. The next example, B. B. For example, bark. 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 Look at the IPA. B sound is present here. The next one, T. T. For example, tuck. 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 Okay. Look at the IPA. T. The sound is present here. The next sound, D. 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 For example, dance. 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 Look at the IPA. D. The sound, the mentioned sound is present here. Okay, the next sound, S. S. For example, chip. For example, chip. chip. Look at the IPA. The mentioned sound is present here. The next sound, z, 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 z. For example, joy, joy, joy. Look at the IPA. The sound is present here. The next sound, k, k, k. For example, kal, 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 kal. Look at the IPA. The sound is present here. K. The next sound, g, g, g. For example, gold, gold. It's gold, gold. Look at the IPA. The sound is present here. The next example, for example, fox, 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 fox. Look at the IPA. The sound is present here. The next example, for example, bhaj. The next sound, for example, vaj, vaj. Look at this IPA. The sound is present here. The next sound, th, th. For example, theme, th, th. For example, theme, theme. Look at the IPA. The sound present here. The next sound, th. For example, thou, th, th. For example, thou, thou. Look at the IPA. The mentioned sound is present here. Now I am going to teach you the consonants of International Phonetic Alphabet, the left part. Okay. I have already discussed 12 consonants. Now I am going to discuss the rest 12 consonants. Okay. The next consonant sound, it's the next one, j, j, j. Next one, sh, sh, sh. The next sound, j, j, j. The next sound, mm. The next sound, The next sound, The next sound, ha, 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 ha. The next sound, la, la, la. The next sound, ra, ra, ra. The next sound, wa, wa, wa. The last sound ya, ya, ya. Okay, dear students, now let's give examples. For example, sin. For example, sin. Look at the IPA. The sound is present here. The next one, j. For example, jil. J, j. For example, jil, jil. Look at the IPA. The mentioned sound is present here. The next sound, sh, sh, sh. For example, ship, ship. Look at the IPA. The mentioned sound is present here. The next consonant sound, y, 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 y. For example, television, television, television. Look at the IPA, y is present here. The sound is present here. The next sound, for example, mother, For example, mother, mother. Look at the IPA. The sound is present here. The next sound, For example, nest, nest, nest. Look at the IPA. The sound is present here. The next consonant sound, for example, song, For example, song, song. Look at the IPA. The consonant sound is present here. The next example, the next sound, consonant sound, ha. For example, host, host. Consonant sound, ha, ha. For example, host, host. Look at the IPA. The sound is present here. The next sound, l, l. For example, luck, l, l. For example, luck, luck. Look at the IPA. The consonant sound l is present here. The next sound, consonant sound ra. For example, rest, ra, ra. For example, rest, rest. Look at the IPA. The consonant sound ra is present here. The next example, the next consonant sound wa. For example, walk, wa, wa. For example, walk, walk. Look at the IPA. The consonant sound wa is present here. The last consonant sound ya. For example, yes, ya, ya. For example, yes, yes. Look at the IPA. Ya sound is present here. Dear students, I have already finished teaching about consonant sounds, all of the consonant sounds. If you have any question, you can ask me writing in the comment box. For more videos and latest news, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any willingness to know about IPA in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Allah Hafiz.